Hey everyone, it's Rob the Backyard Gardener, and everyone's been asking how that 2-year-old surviving avocado tree is doing. So I figured the last update was mid-March. It's early May, so it's just over, I guess, what is this, 25 and a half months? So it's about 25 and a half, almost 26 month old. So I figured, let's get you an update. Before I go ahead and bring you over to the tree, I want to let you know it is doing well, and I'm very happy to say that it has bounced back amazingly. Now, remember, it just recently went through so much shock. It's starting to branch out, and when you see it, you'll know what I mean. The next update, this thing is going to be going bonkers. But let's get you a quick update now and see how it's doing. So I went ahead and put it back in the spot where it did really well last year. Here's the pot that it's in. It's got its own drip line. The trunk is still doing good. We just started to get some more branching out. Look at all the new growth here. We've got a branch here, a branch here, a branch here, a branch here, a branch there. There's a branch here, branch everywhere, a branch. No, I'm kidding, but look at this. It's got branches everywhere, and they're very tall, and that thing is way up there, guys. I'm likely, you can see, let me see if I can zoom in. You can see the little tiny offshoot of that branch. So what I'm likely going to do is top it right there. I don't need it getting 12, 13, 14 feet right now. I want to focus on this lower foliage thickening up. But I'm likely, between now and the next update, going to top it about an inch past that offshoot right there. And that'll be the new top to it. And at the end of the day, what I'm really trying to focus on is just letting all this new growth, all these new branches, really just fatten up. I think the canopy is a little sparse on this side, so I'm hoping that some of these other offshoots that you see just now starting to form, I'm hoping all those little guys really start filling out here shortly. That way I can really focus on a nice goblet-shaped canopy on this guy. Again, it's good news to see him thriving once again. I mean, you guys, you saw him. I'm surprised with what he's gone through. He's even allowed himself to come back. He's been resilient. I'm going to leave him in this huge pot for the entire year. The plan here is that, like I did last year, I'm going to find him a indoor grow room that he can thrive in the off season and not have to go through so much shock and then come outside and get burned and scorched and dehydrated and you name it. So he's doing really well. I actually fed him just 2 weeks ago a half dose of fertilizer, just a little bit of bone and blood meal pellets that I crushed up, soaked in water for about 30 minutes, and then poured in there and then remulched on top. So doing well. This guy is just bounced back beautifully. Let me see if I can get some better angles with this guy for you. So here's the second tallest branch. Again, that's probably where I'm going to top him. We're up about 7 feet right now. You can see all the new growth. Looks fantastic. Definitely gonna survive this next year. You can see the old limb here was practically destroyed. Same with this one around here. You can see the ends that I had to cut off. But since I've cut the ends off and let him focus on all these little subsequent branches, he has really flourished. So I'm really excited about this series again, guys. I know we're down to one tree, but man, he's doing great. So there you have it, everyone. That's the avocado tree at 25 and a half months. As you can see by the video and the pictures that I'm showing you, he has bounced back incredibly. For those that have been asking, yeah, he's not gonna flower for several years. Matter of fact, you're really lucky if you get an avocado tree that even flowers in its first 4 to 7 years. So being 25 and a half months, we've got a minimum of at least 2 more years to even expect any flowering. To be honest with you, it'll probably not even flower in its first 7 years. I could get lucky. If you're watching my apple tree growing from seed series, you saw how lucky I got on that, and I'll be updating that here shortly as well. But it doesn't always happen that way. I'm growing this for fun, and it's in a pot, so no matter where I go or where I move to or where my journey takes me, he's gonna be coming along with me as long as he's alive. I will keep this series updated every single month. This next update I'm super excited about because you can see in this video, he's just now starting to branch off and recover. Man, in another month, it's gonna be incredible. I hope you're enjoying the series. If you are, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.